Starting a business creating and selling handmade solid wood coffee tables is one of the most rewarding ways to blend creativity, craftsmanship, and profit into a single fulfilling journey. In a world filled with fast furniture and disposable decor, more and more people are turning toward high-quality, handcrafted pieces that bring warmth, character, and longevity into their homes. That shift in consumer behavior has opened a powerful opportunity for beginners, hobby woodworkers, and aspiring furniture makers who dream of building a profitable business from their hands. Whether you've been working with wood for years or are just starting out, creating curved, handmade solid wood coffee tables is a venture that combines artistic expression with strong market demand, offering both creative satisfaction and financial freedom. From rustic farmhouse designs to sleek modern styles, the wood coffee table remains one of the most popular furniture pieces worldwide, making it the perfect product for beginners to craft, refine, and sell with confidence. The heart of this business lies in the material itself, solid wood. Wood is not only beautiful, durable, and deeply versatile, it's emotionally rich. People gravitate toward real wood furniture because it feels alive. No two boards are ever exactly alike. Each has its own grain patterns, textures, and unique imperfections that make the finished piece one of a kind. When beginners learn how to shape wood with curved edges, rounded corners, and smooth flowing lines, they unlock a style that feels welcoming and artistic. Curves soften a space, bring organic form into modern interiors, and elevate even simple designs into statement pieces. A curved solid wood coffee table carries an energy that draws attention without overwhelming the room. Customers appreciate that balance of elegance and simplicity, and that appreciation translates into strong sales potential for makers who embrace this design approach.